Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Science is Cool. Today we're gonna tear down my old Lenovo ideapad 3, which is the slim version. So this is my main computer for the past few years, like I think 4 to 5 years ago. And of course I still make it as my main computer, but it's a little bit like sluggish already, but it's still okay. And we have a issue with the battery right now, so I ordered a battery already for the Lenovo ideapad 3 Slim so that I could make it as my main computer again. I'm Blair, your science teacher, and this is the teardown of the Lenovo ideapad 3 Slim computer laptop. Okay, let's start our disassembly or the teardown of my laptop Lenovo. I'm using this for the past few years, like 4 years ago, I think going 5 already. So the short screws right here, but I think my screws are missing already, some of it, so it's okay to lose some of my screws. It's been like 4 years already. I'm planning to buy a new laptop for my work related. So this is for my lectures, so this is why I use this as my main computer for the past few years. And the other one, the Acer, is my main editing with my Mac for my lectures. Sometimes if I need to have my lecture with my tablet, so I could use that one. How many screws? Supposed to be I have how many screws? I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 2 shorts and 1 long screw. So yeah, that's what I'm missing for the past few years already. So I only have the screwdriver and nothing else. So that's how I do it. It's supposed to be Windows, but I use right now a Linux, so that's why I have the logo right there. So how do you open this one? I already removed all those screws right now. So the easiest way to open this one is to have to peel it on the edge right here, because if you do this corner, you need to have a pick of a guitar or a pick for the opening of the computer. So basically it is so easy, so you just do like that, compared to you have a pick to insert all those edges. But if you do it on the sides, it's okay. So I'm just gonna put it right here near my water. So let me turn it around. So right now I have this is my setup, and this one is just to hold, because I lose the screws for the hard disk, so that's why I use the tape, masking tape. Yeah, see, it is easy to remove that one. Masking tape will be okay. It will be holded by this styrofoam right here. It was already there when I bought this one, so it is already okay. As you can see, this is the RAM for the random access memory. Don't forget that one. It was covered by this lid. So let me open this one. So there is my random access memory, which is actually, this is the 8 gigabytes plus, where is the onboard? I think it's in the other side. You cannot see it right now. We also have the storage, which is our NVMe M2. This is my main. I think this is the 512 gigabytes of storage. So it comes with it already, so I didn't change, but sometimes I remove the Windows and use the all Linux OS And at the same time I have the Kingston right here for my storage, and at the same time this is also my OS, which is a Linux. So that is our storage. This is the CPU actually. That is why we have this heatsink with a fan. And this is the battery, which is basically I'm gonna change this one a couple of days from now. It's gonna be replaced. If the battery arrive soon, it is easy to replace. You just remove all those screws and then change it, and then remove this one. So it comes with the connector for the SATA or the hard disk drive connector. It comes with the plastic, so I basically attach it so that I could like add more storage, because it doesn't comes with the second slot for the NVMe SATA or the storage. This is Wi-Fi connector. That is why there is a wire going to the display, which is so that you could like reach a lot of signal, and it is also running with the NVMe slot. So if you're wondering where is the motherboard, this is the whole motherboard. It is very small compared to before. We have a lot of like big chunks of motherboard. Right now is just only this one. And this is the extension for the IO. We have also the IO input output right here. So we have extension. That is why we have this ribbon going there. So if you have some question, feel free to ask me right in the comments down below. So I have to put it back so that you could see how to return it properly. So let me turn this around. Oh, I forgot to return this one. Okay, so let's return this one. Of course, starts with the edges. Okay, everything all set. Let's turn it around again so that you could see. Let's start with the small screw. Another screw right here. And of course we have also the long screw. I've been missing the two small screws right here on the edges, so that is why I only have the two short screws. And of course I also lost one long screw right here, but it is okay. It's just only 3 screws out of how many screws that we have? 10 screws supposed to be. So that's it. That is my Lenovo IdeaPad Slim, and it's running in Linux. Why I use Linux? Well, it is so easy. If you install the Linux, you are good to go. You don't need some extra drivers. Just like if you install reinstall the Windows, you need to have a lot of like drivers to install it to just to work it properly. Plus you need to download a third-party application sometimes. So that is why I prefer to use the Linux operating system. My trusted laptop need to have a new battery. That is why I turned down this one, so that you could see. So I hope you enjoy my video as I explain to you the inside of this laptop. Anyway, that's it for now for our teardown of my Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim. I'm Blair, your science teacher. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. Ciao!